Hi, glad to see you on our first English video. I hope it will be helpful and easy for you to understand how to exchange cryptocurrency on the ERTC platform. First of all, we click on Crypto Exchange button and it brings us to this exchanging page. Here, we pick particular cryptocurrencies we need to exchange. As for me, it is Ethereum to USDT. Then, type in the amount you need to exchange into Use Send box. Below, we put an address, and after confirming cryptocurrency, the platform will let you know which address is needed to be put. Afterwards, you can choose a network you'd like to use in this crypto exchange, but I prefer to leave it as it is. Please always double check your inputs. It can be very important. And if everything is done, click on Black Exchange button. So, on this stage, you can see some useful info about the deposit address to which we need to transfer our currency. I have my own address, you will have another one. What do we do here? We open a crypto wallet and transfer particular amount of cryptocurrency to the address that platform gives us. Also, QR code can be used. If it is more convenient for you, please go ahead. After the currency is sent, platform brings us to the confirmation page. Here you can check the order details. Most of the time it takes from 5 to 10 minutes for Gorex to process the request, and after a while the exchange is completed. You can check the history for each transaction by clicking Transaction History button and the More button below. This section provides details such as the date, transaction ID and other relevant information. If you experience any hurdles in the process of crypto exchange, feel free to contact support by clicking Support button in the top of the page. Put here your details and description what exactly you had a problem with. I'm sure Gorex will help you manage it. And that's it. Please feel free to ask questions and email us to support@ertc.online. We will gladly answer you. Thank you for watching. See you later.